Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you the most convenient way of copying text from image file or PDF file or from any other application. To use this feature we'll be using a free software by Microsoft called powertoys. So let's download it first. I'm searching powertoys on Google. So you can see on the screen the link from Microsoft App Store. So let's visit the link, and here you can see the button Get in Store app. This will open the Microsoft Store app, and from here you can install the powertoys application. Okay, so this is asking for install. So once you have installed the application, you will be able to see it in your notification window, this one. So I'm just opening the powertoys. So the screen will look like this. Now from here you need to open this option, text extractor. So basically this is a feature which allows you a keyboard shortcut, a very convenient way by which you can copy any text from screen. So you just need to enable this option. You can see here on the screen, and you can also see there is a shortcut assigned. So the shortcut is Windows key plus Shift plus T. You can change it if you want to be something different. So this feature is enabled. So let's try copying something. All right, so okay, so very first I'm going to copy some text from an image. Okay, now I'm pressing Ctrl Shift and T button. So you can see this is allowing you to select an area. I have copied it. Now I just want to see what is there in the keyboard, so I'm pasting it. So here you can see it has copied the same content. Take life day by day and be grateful for the little things. Don't get caught up. Yeah, as it is. All right, so let's test another something, a PDF file. So this is my one of old tickets. I want to copy some text from here. So again I'm pressing Ctrl Shift and T button. I am selecting this area, scan for information on AirSaver website, and again I'm pasting it here, and you can see very conveniently this tool has copied the text from images or PDF file. Okay, in last let's try copying something from the screen. So I have few websites open here. Yeah, so let's take this screen. Few images are opened in this Google search, and I want to copy something from here. Okay, I'm copying it, Ctrl Shift and T, and big text as well as the small text. Okay, so let's try again. So you can see this has copied everything almost correctly. So this is it, guys.